Greenfield Global has been supplying mission-critical alcohols, solvents, and bioprocessing materials to life science companies across the globe for more than 2 decades. Until now, those products have been produced, packaged, and delivered from our distilleries and manufacturing facilities in North America. Today, I'm very excited to announce that our 40,000 square foot Portlaoise, Ireland plant has reached substantial completion of construction, and we will soon commence our validation program. This important milestone for Greenfield could not have been achieved without the strong support of the IDA and DPS Engineering, who have helped design and build a world-class GMP solutions facility and have worked tirelessly to implement safety protocols to keep our workplace safe and free of COVID-19 infections. We are thrilled to have located our facility in the Midlands, where we have found a large talent pool of highly qualified and experienced staff, and where we have been welcomed with tremendous support by the Laois County Council. Finally, I'd like to welcome all the staff who have joined Greenfield in Ireland to help us manufacture and distribute mission-critical raw materials to the life science ecosystem in Ireland and all of Europe. Guru Ma Agot.